Welcome. Today we'll see few important points about scientific posters. In general, A0 portrait or landscape size poster is preferred, but sometimes A1 size is also used. Between portrait and landscape, portrait size posters are preferred in most of the conferences or any other events. This is the portrait, which height is 46.8 and width is 33.1. Whereas in landscape, width is 46.8 and height is 33.1 in inches. For posters, we can choose any font, but it should be very clean and easy to read. Generally, sans serif fonts are used. Further, you can choose any font size, but it should be readable at least from 1 to 2 meter away from the poster. Remember, this size is not fixed. In some cases, it can be more or less by few inches. In a separate tutorial, we have already seen how to create a poster using a PowerPoint. Let's see quickly. Just go to design, slide size. Here set the width and height, 84 centimeter width and 118 centimeter height. Next, just press right click of the mouse and go to layout. I'll choose this one, to content. We can set the background color. After that, you can put your logo, title and other content. You can also use 3 columns. Just copy and paste the column. Make sure that each column size is equal. You can maintain this from here. Once you set, you can put your content. Similarly, we'll create one landscape. Again, go to layout. I have already created 2 templates, one for portrait and another one is for landscape. You can use if you want. Change the section title. You can resize the box. If you want, you can change the background color. So it's very simple and you can use. That's all. Thanks for watching.